Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Harbinger 3-part trifold exercise gym mat with 2-inch thick padding for maximum comfort and support. This versatile mat is perfect for all kinds of workouts, including stretching, core exercises, and general training at home or the gym. Its tailor-fitted zippered PVC shell helps maintain the mat's shape and makes cleaning quick and easy. The mat folds into 3 parts and features integrated nylon handles for effortless transport and convenient storage. When unfolded, it measures 24 by 60 inches, providing plenty of space for your workouts. Whether you're doing yoga or intense training, this mat offers stability and cushioning where you need it most. Upgrade your fitness routine with a durable and portable mat designed with your comfort in mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.